Adventure awaits with the 2025 Honda Pilot. This versatile SUV boasts a powerful engine, spacious interior, and a host of technology features that will make your family road trips a breeze. But with its expected price increase, will the 2025 Pilot still be the value-packed choice for families? The 2025 Honda Pilot is expected to be an upgrade over the 2024 model, offering a refined driving experience, enhanced technology features, and a spacious interior for families on the go. Let's delve into what we can anticipate from this upcoming mid-size SUV. Under the hood, the 2025 Pilot is likely to retain the two engine options from the 2024 model. A 2.5L turbocharged inline, four-cylinder engine delivering around 300 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque. A 3.5L twin-turbocharged V6 engine generating around 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ft of torque. Both engines will likely be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive gear changes. While specific fuel economy figures haven't been released, we can expect them to be similar to the 2024 model, with the 2.5L turbo offering better fuel efficiency and the 3.5L twin-turbo prioritizing power. The 2025 Pilot is expected to receive upgrades to its technology and infotainment features. A larger touchscreen infotainment system, possibly 10 inches or bigger, is anticipated, along with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration for seamless smartphone connectivity. Wi-Fi hotspot and a panoramic sunroof could be included as standard or optional features, depending on the trim level. The interior should retain its spaciousness, comfortably seating up to 8 passengers across 3 rows. Heated and ventilated seats might be available as an option for enhanced comfort on long journeys. The 2025 Honda Pilot is expected to see a slight price increase from the 2024 model, with a starting price around $39,900 for the 2.5L turbocharged base model and around $54,000 for the 3.5L twin-turbo option. The official release date hasn't been announced, but it's expected to be sometime in 2025.